We sold it. Just a few days. Because everybody knows we're trying to sell a car. I'm gloating because we had to sell a vehicle below price to get out of here in time. Super fantastic. So, let's give you guys a little bit of an update on our PCS move. I'm Josh Epley. I fly jets for a living and make videos for fun. Stick with me as we explore the world and go on this adventure together. I am tired. It has been non-stop these last couple of days, and we are deep, so to speak, into this move. Hi everybody, we are coming back, just giving you guys a little bit of an update on our PCS move here. It's been a few days since then. We are 7 days out, 1 week from our projected move out date. We were successful in selling the car. We've got a little bit of moving cash to make sure that happens. For a lot of you that have PCS moved in the past, you're very familiar with the run and gun nature of trying to out-process, trying to get moved, trying to time all of these things to line up with your move, and it has been hectic around here. Shortly after I posted that last video, we ran over to Lowe's, and we ran around Lowe's to pick up moving boxes, moving tape, all of our moving supplies, mattress covers, that sort of thing that we can use to start packing up. All these boxes right next to me have all of our goods in them already. But that's kind of what we did the next day after, day number 2. It was just spent general packing, picking up moving supplies and such. Day 3 was a work day for me, running around all over base to try and get out processed at the various organizations, such as finance, the medical clinic, as well as my own squadron. A work in progress. It's Wednesday now, so I've been doing that for the last couple of days to try and get out processed. I did such things like I ran over to my air flight equipment where they out process my equipment, they give me my helmet, they give me my helmet bag, they give me my G-suit. I also went and turned in all of my publications or pubs that related to flying, such as my iPad, my condensed checklists, my in-flight guides. So everything that I kept on my flight bag that usually carried with me in the plane, I had to return all that to the bookstore on base. And I was also in the admin building trying to get out processed with the various organizations. Still not completely finished with that process. As many of you that have done this before are very familiar, trying to catch every single person that's in charge of signing off your checklist to say that you're done, you're out of here, we'll see you later, is quite difficult, to say the least. What was your shortest PCS move? Let me know what your shortest PCS move was. How many days did you have? How long did you have to do it? How quick did you do it? Did it get finished? I don't know. I'm feeling kind of comfortable right now, since we sold the car. I just need to sell the washer, dryer, and fridge. We'll see how that goes. So let me give you a little bit of info on what we're doing for our move. So in the military, there's a couple of different moves that you can do. You can do what's called an HHG, or a household goods shipment. Basically, that's where the military comes in, they hire a professional moving team, they pack all your stuff up while you're in the house, they load it onto a truck and they ship it off to your next location. We chose not to do that method this time because the last time we did that, they broke everything. They broke our television, they scraped up all of our furniture, a lot of glass goods were broken, a lot of plates, just all kinds of things were damaged in the move. And the reimbursement process for if you're gonna do like a claim, they only paid us like a fraction of what everything was worth, and it was definitely not enough to cover everything that got damaged. It was a really painstaking process. It took weeks and months just to get paid what we did get paid. Alrighty, so the move that we're actually doing is what's called a PPM, or a personally procured movement. This is where we take the full responsibility of the move. We hire movers, or we get the moving truck, we pack the boxes, we get the moving supplies, and we ship our stuff ourselves. We chose to move this method because it was the easiest method for us to get everything packed up, loaded, and out of here by our departure date. That being said though, we do take some of the responsibilities of the move, such as we need to keep track of our hotel, gas, moving truck expenses, moving supply expenses. So for a PPM, we have to do everything in layman's terms. Some things that might help out other people that are looking at PCS moving is keeping track of everything. Quotes, move, where you're going, where you're coming, what hotel you're staying at. Keep track of everything. I like to keep a notebook just with me that includes every little bit of information I might come across, such as out processing with a certain agency, or talking to the moving companies, talking to the rental agencies about renting a truck or a tow dolly. Especially when you out process, there are a ton of digital websites that the military requires you to out process yourself. So I like to keep a password username book just with me personally, because I never remember any of the passwords that the military has me set. With that being said, save every document that every one of these agencies gives you, make a copy of it, make a digital copy of it, and always keep it with you. I keep a little trifold folder that holds all of my out processing documents, medical, dental, everything, flight records, every little document that someone gives me. So, some update on the last couple days. I mentioned we were already doing the Lowe's stuff. The next day, I went ahead and procured a rental truck from Penske with an auto trailer to tow the car, and we're gonna kind of caravan it from here all the way to our next duty assignment. Out processing from Vance Air Force Base here in Enid, Oklahoma has actually not been too bad. We're only a week out. I've sold the car. We got a couple more of appliances to still sell, but honestly, it's moving along quite smoothly. Just some admin related things and documents that I need to submit and have ready for my final out processing appointments. So yeah, we're just having a blast moving. Not really, it kind of sucks. All these people showing all these moves that it's not hectic. It's pretty hectic. You know, you don't have a lot of time to get everything like sorted out. Happy face. Don't know how I'm gonna move the TV though. I'll leave that for future Josh. So the rest of today, we spent packing up the boxes, and we're still got quite a bit to go. Got a few more days to go, 7 days left. All right, guys, we'll see you later. All right, found the red one. You're gonna get stuck.
If it fits in chips.
If it fits in chips? Well, honest. Need about 3 of those. Alright. Well, we found the blue ones.